Hey everybody, welcome back to another vlog where I share random clips throughout the week that I film for you guys. I have recipes that I'm going to be sharing, our mini vacation we took to the Biltmore Estate. I have a grocery haul and some random restocks that I need to get done in the kitchen and laundry room. Wanted to do things a little bit different for this video. Like I said, these are just clips where I got things done throughout the week, so they're pretty short and then I just move on randomly to the next day. We're gonna start this video off with a mini vlog of our vacation to the Biltmore Estate. I thought I would share that little experience with you guys in case you are thinking about going. So let's get started. Alright, so once you get through the gate, show your ticket, pay for parking, you still have to drive a couple of miles to get to the actual parking lot. That's how big this property is. This is America's largest home, and I'm going to give you guys a few facts later on. But once you park, you have to get on these little trolley like buses, and that's what's going to take you to the actual estate itself, because you cannot just drive up to it. So I loved how the trolley looked. It was so cute and so Biltmore-like, and all the trolley drivers will give you facts on the estate or the owners on your way up to the actual property. If you've been to the Biltmore Estate, then you know the camera does not do it justice. You have to be there in person. It's just like a castle. It's massive. It is America's largest home, spanning 175,000 square feet. Y'all, this is about to be a whole history lesson, so buckle up. Before we went into the house, we had lunch at the stables, which is pretty much attached to the Biltmore Estate. And as you can see, we are sitting in what used to be the stalls where they used to hold the horses. I love how everything was still original. It just was really cool. Brandon had shrimp and grits. I had trout. The kids had burgers and fries. After we ate, we went in some of the shops in the stables before it was our time to go into the house. Right, so here's what you pretty much first see when you go into the house. We did the audio tour, which I highly recommend. We were given these little phones and each room was numbered. So you just type in that number and it tells you facts and just the history of each room, like what it was used for, who used it, things like that. They also had a kids version, which we did get the kids. That keeps them a little bit more engaged. They loved it. The voices on theirs was more childlike and kept them just excited about everything. It had them pointing out certain things and trying to like, where's Waldo kind of thing in each room. It was really cool. Construction for the Biltmore started in 1889 and I think they finished in 1895, so it took a while. There's 250 rooms in here, so there's 35 bedrooms, 43 bathrooms, and 65 fireplaces. There's so much more to learn about this place. I would definitely go if you have a chance to get up to North Carolina. This is in Asheville, so it's in the mountains, which makes everything so much prettier. After we toured the home, we went to Antler Village and the winery, which is still all on the same property. And we did a wine tasting and then some other little fun things. You'll see a little petting zoo and a playground. And then we got in the car and went home. guys, it's the next day and I have some errands to run, so I'm just gonna quickly get ready and go out and do what I need to do. I also want to stop by Hobby Lobby if I have enough time because I want to look at their spring flowers. I'll probably take you guys along with me in Hobby Lobby just for a few minutes, and tomorrow I'm going to be filming my spring decorate with me video, but by the time you guys are seeing this, that video would have already been up, so go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. Start filming for my spring video. I'm already filming. I thought I would just show you guys quickly. By the time you guys are seeing this, I believe my spring decorate with me should be up. So I'm just gonna give you an overview. I'm not gonna go into detail. If you haven't seen the video, go click on it. Oh, I got a lot of new faux florals and I got a few new decorative pieces. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating. So what I'm gonna be having for lunch is called Spam Musubi. The first time I had this, I was in Hawaii. You can pretty much find it anywhere there. Pretty much Spam, and I'm gonna use a hot and spicy one. Sushi rice or whatever rice, and then you're gonna have your seaweed sheets, but the Spam is usually marinated in some kind of like soy sauce mixture. So soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, garlic, sesame oil, and then just let it marinate for a couple minutes or while your rice cooks. You guys, so good. Right now I have the Spam marinating. I'm gonna put the rice in and then I'm gonna sprinkle some of this 7-seed seasoning over it, which is pretty much a bunch of different types of sesame seeds. All right, so the kids just got home and I just got finished filming my spring decorate with me. So it's like 4:30 right now and I need to clean the kitchen. So for dinner, I'm gonna be making this recipe that I found online called taco macaroni. This is mainly for the kids. Just feel like they would like it. So the recipe says that you need 2 boxes of macaroni, some Rotel, taco seasoning, and whatever ground protein of your choice. Today we're gonna be using ground chicken. Welcome to day 4 of the vlog. I don't have much going on today as far as like cleaning wise. I am going to throw in a load of laundry. I try to at least do 1 load a day. And then later I just have some self-care things to do. I have an appointment to get my eyebrows done. Go over to Sephora because I have some things on my list that I want to pick up from there. So I'll show you guys what I get. Alright, I'm back and I ended up getting the contour stick by Makeup by Mario. I've been wanting to try this out and I'm really excited about this. There's a little brush on the end. I forgot what color I got, but by the time you guys are seeing this, I've already tried it and I really love it. And then I ended up getting the Rare Beauty blush that everybody's been talking about. Love this one too. Just tried it for the first time last night. Went over to Ulta after I got my eyebrows done to pick up a new Morphe powder brush. And then these came in the mail. We ordered these from Amazon because you can't find them in the store anywhere. These are the Downy Defy Damage conditioning beads. They help with fading and stretching, and they just help your clothes last longer, and they also smell good. Welcome to day 5. Tomorrow, Brandon's parents are coming in to stay with us for a little while, so I have some things to just get done around the house, including washing their bedding, which I didn't film. I wish I would have filmed it for you guys, but I just need to get the guest room put together, and then I am cleaning these windows. These windows get so disgusting sometimes, so I need to do that, and I also need to go to the grocery store, which you guys will see in a little bit.
Move on. You haven't changed. You stayed the same, but if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody.
This is actually a couple days later, but we're still gonna say day 6 of the vlog. Brandon's parents have been here for a couple days. They drove their RV up to visit us, and they're now trading it out for a brand new one that they've had their eye on. So we all rode together to Nashville to pick it up, and I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little tour. I'm not gonna go into detail just in case you guys don't want to know about an RV, but this is what it looks like. It's their dream RV. It sleeps 8 comfortably, has 2 full baths, washer and dryer. It's really cool. We love traveling with them. One of my favorite ways to vacation. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.